What is up, ladies and gents? So I'm gonna have this, let's do a community thing here. Comment down below your best advice for new riders. In the comments, put something there that is actually helpful. You know, not a troll thing. Let's be helpful. It's a new year, it's a new season, new people are getting bikes. Let's be helpful for the newbies about. But so comment down below, tell me what you think. And I'm gonna do this myself. The biggest one, ride your own ride. Don't worry about what other people are doing. Don't try and keep up with other people. Don't try and impress anyone else. Like, if you go and you're riding with your friends and they, you know, zoom away, do not try and keep up with them if it's above your comfort level, above your skill level. If they're good friends, when they get to a stop sign or somewhere, they'll slow down and they'll let you catch up. If they don't do that, they're not good friends, and you really shouldn't be riding with them in general. It's one of the biggest ones. You know, don't push yourself above your comfort level to try and impress people or try and, you know, make it seem like you're better than you are. Everybody learns at a certain rate, everyone learns at a certain speed, and it's a lot better to learn slowly than to push yourself super hard, crash, hurt yourself, ruin your bike, and, you know, be screwed. It is true. And also, that's kind of a 1A. Be careful of who you ride with, because there are going to be people who will try and get you to do things they don't want you to, or that you don't want to, or push you to do things, or, you know, take you on highways and make you lane split or go 150 miles an hour, keep up. You know, it's just be careful of who you ride with. And that goes for passengers too. If you're a person who's backpacking, be careful who you get on the back of a bike with. You know, some people aren't going to care about your safety as much as others. Some people aren't going to care at all. So be careful with who you're riding with, who you're riding on a bike with. Just, you know, safety first is one of the main things. Two, the other biggest thing I think is ride like you're invisible. Never expect anybody to see you. Pedestrian, car behind you, always ride like you are invisible, because that's the safest way to be. It sucks to say that, you know, you have to pretend that everyone around you is horrible and going to hit you, but it's a safer option than expecting people to be smart, because, well, that's obviously not something that you should expect from a lot of people nowadays. And the third, since I'm doing this in a corner, look where you want to go, not what you don't want to hit. It's one of the biggest things. The target fixation is like a really bad thing to pay attention to. Like that fucking piece of wood in the middle of the road back there. Don't look at that. If you want to, you know, if you're going around a corner, don't look at that pole. Look over here. Look at the corner and look the way you want to go. Because if you target fixate on something, it's a really hard thing that will draw you right into it. So look through the corner, look way ahead of where you want to be going, you know, way over here. And then on the right, you're looking way over here. You're not looking at anything on that side of the road. Where you look is where you're going to go, essentially. You know, learn to train yourself to look through the corner. Look as far around as you possibly can, so that way you have, you know, the best chance of finding any obstacles in your way, finding a person, an animal, a pothole, whatever. Look through the corner, so that way you have the best chance and the most time to react to things. But I don't know, there's a ton of these obviously, and hopefully we do get a bunch of comments down below. That will be helpful if you are a new rider. You know, never hurts to ask. Comment down below, help the new people out. Give your advice, your knowledge, your expertise if you're on that level. And yeah, while you're down there, like I said, comment down below, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.